This right here to see how many nights we get in 3 minutes. How many nights can we get? For the people that's in the chat, thank y'all for showing some love. Can y'all drop that beat? Yeah. All right. Let's start from the top. I seen the K, Renee, the garden, Dolores in the house. Official Jamie Gills, and why I'm here to run my mouth. 2 peas in a pod, talking about we in a dark. Gotta bring it every day. Oh yes, I wanna start. Then I also seen Sassy showing love in the house. Got a reason you're dead, rocking up from the south, standing up from the bay, but the bay is where it's at. Let me talk about it, everybody getting it. Santa gets the educated natural in the house, calling her about a 10, and you better watch your mouth. Getting hit with the tequila chips and you feel the pain. People talking about the people and the yes, that pain to Spain. Santa yes, Lisa J Star, yes I send your name. Trying to send it everybody in the chat right today. Today when I'm showing up, but just to show some love. I'm the Jade, I'm over here and I wanna show you love. Send the Eric love point. Oh yes, we got the horn. Just a flexing on the trees, doing burpee as it's up, getting down. Now we want to turn around. Let me talk about the people in the chat right now. Got a Robert Kennedy doing what he do, we going fast. I'm over here, the end I guess we going fast. We also doing slow song, doing some for girls. Them girls is over there, they stand up, girl, will rule the world. So Bird is in the house, so when I say your name, the 6 boat is back and the name is not the same. She's over here just showing love to me. But still I'm over here in the street saying what? I'm also seeing a beat of different clothing. Still I'm over here to send, oh yes, you get your clothes in. Yes, she over there trying to go and get it in. But still I'm over here saying that thank you, my friend. So when I say your name, when your name is on my sheet, because you left a comment in the chat up in the streets. The street is over here to with the street is for the J. But still I'm over here to when I'm doing my way. I seen the Reverend Terminator, yes he dropping songs. Something's over there and you know that he belonging in the street, they need to make that money too. From all around the world they're shouting out to what he do. He's over there rocking with the hoodie power. The people talking about the what a power tower. But still you talking about the name that repping term of who. But still I'm over here to send the gift is what I do. I'm sending all your name when I send in your name. So thank you 15 people coming in the chat today. So now that I said your name in the 3 dough. So now I'm over here to get a bag of Fritos.